Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back with a new dashcam video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Experience the smooth ride and comfort of a Volkswagen Vento as we navigate through bustling city on a cloudy day. Watch as Vento effortlessly handles traffic, showcasing its agile handling and powerful performance. Enjoy the view and feel the ambience of urban life as we cruise along. Perfect for those looking for a relaxed and enjoyable driving experience. Sit back and relax. If you have noted the speed display, comment down the speed of the car. If you love driving, an overcast condition can be very peaceful and relaxing for mind. Whether you are driving in hatchback, a sedan or an SUV. And now we are entering the famous furniture market of Chandigarh, where you'll be able to find good furniture for your home or for your office. Chandigarh, the city beautiful, is renowned for its metrically planned urban layout and lush green spaces. As we drive through the city, we are greeted by a stunning vista of vibrant greenery that lines the road on both sides. The carefully manicured trees and shrubs creates a serene and refreshing atmosphere, making Chandigarh a truly pleasant place to be.